This Nasdaq 100 strategy is so simple that even your cat can do this, and the strategy is following simple risk management. Now you might be thinking, what a basic piece of advice this guy is giving me. But wait, before you skip the video, I will show you some live examples on the Nasdaq 100 on the 1 minute chart. All I want is you to get better and don't be like this guy. So as you can see, this is the 1 minute chart. No moving averages, nothing at all, just the naked chart itself. All that matters is that you are using the correct risk management. So for example, let me take a very random strategy, that is whenever I see an engulfing candle, I will take a trade in the same direction using 1:1.5 risk to reward ratio. So for example, we can see there's an uptrend over here. So what I would do is I would go long on the engulfing candles with 1:1.5 risk to reward ratio. This is a downward trend. I will do the opposite. I will go short over here. So as you can see in this uptrend, the first engulfing candle I can find actually is this one. So let me zoom in here. Let's go to long position. Nothing fancy. The candle ends over here. I will open a long over here. The stop loss is just below the candle. The risk to reward ratio should be 1.5. Let's do that. So this is done, 0.11% profit. Now again, let's go find another engulfing candle, and we are not able to find anything. Now we are in the downward section. We need to find engulfing candles that are towards the downside. For example, this one over here. So I would like to go short. Same principle, just go short over here. Take profit just above the candle itself. 1:1.5. You can see another one closed in the green with 0.14% profit. I find another one over here. So let's go another short position over here. Same principle, stop loss just above the candle itself. 1:1.5 risk to reward ratio, somewhere around here. Got it. 0.17% profit over here. Another one we find over here is a strong downward candle. Again, short position, stop loss above the candle. 1:1.5. And this is also done, 0.2% profit. So as you can see, I'm using a very random strategy. This is actually not a strategy at all. This is just purely risk management. This is all it is. So 1 2 3 4 in the green. Listen, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Hit the bell notification so you are notified whenever we upload a new video. So you get the general idea. Now you might be thinking, this can't be real. This is too easy. You have picked the perfect time. You have picked the perfect candles and all of this. Let's just randomly scroll somewhere. Okay, now I'm in Nasdaq over here. Let's try to see what is happening. We are seeing an uptrend in this section, and this was a very big uptrend since here. So yeah, let's zoom in and see if our strategy works here or not. Let's pick any random stuff. Okay, this one, this candle over here, long position somewhere around here. Take stop loss over here. 1:1.5. So this candle, you can see that we got stopped out at a loss of 0.12% only. Let's continue this journey again. The next engulfing is just over here. So another long position somewhere around here, and again stop loss in this region. 1:1.5 risk to reward, 0.12% profit. So whatever we lost here, we have gained back immediately in the next, how many candles? 1 2 3 4. So 5 minutes, you got it all back. Entry over here. Stop loss below the candle, 1:1.5. How much? 0.23% done. Let's keep doing that. So this is an interesting one. This is also an engulfing candle. I will go long here. Straight away you can see that the stop loss was hit. So 0.08% loss. Let's find another one. Keep going. Nope. So I'm just doing a quick scan. There is possible that I might miss something, but that's all right. Nothing up till now. Okay, this is the one we find. Engulfing candle, 0.16 loss. That is fine. Keep going. I will go long again at the start of the candle. Stop loss here. So you can see another stop loss hit. That is fine. Keep going. This is an engulfing candle again. So you can see another stop loss hit for 0.1%. Let's continue our journey. Next candle we find is this one. Stop loss over here, 1:1.5, closed in the green. Let's try one long over here. Same principle. So you can see this one also hit the profit target. Look at the downtrend also. Okay, it's not necessary that we have to choose one direction only. Let's try to find some engulfing candle. This is one over here. Let's zoom in. Short position entry over here. Stop loss just above the candle, 1:1.5. This this one takes a lot of time. That's fine, we don't mind that. Remember, these are minute candles, so maybe like 20-30 minutes you're done. Another profit of 0.15%. So another engulfing candle is this one over here. So short position somewhere. I'm very roughly placing the stop loss and the take profit. You see, you get the idea, right, what is happening. So it's not an exact science, it's a very easy process. Again, this one in the green, 0.07%. so you get the idea, right? When the price is in an uptrend, just open a long, stop loss is just below the candle, the previous candle, and the take profit is simply 1.5 risk to reward ratio. Same for the shorts, like I showed you over here, engulfing candle towards the downside. Stop loss is just above the previous candle and take profit is 1.5 risk to reward ratio. So you can see how easily you are able to do scalping on the 1 minute chart for Nasdaq 100 using this simple strategy. So really it is that easy. I'm not even joking about this. It is really that easy. No need to be fancy, no need to have any fancy indicators, nothing at all. So do let us know in the comments, what do you think? Do you agree with this type of strategy, or you think this is just too basic and it won't work out in the long term? Let us know. So if you are planning to use this strategy, please do your own back testing and make sure you are happy with the strategy itself. And like I always say, the markets are extremely volatile. If you're actively day trading, please learn and use proper risk management, otherwise you'll blow up your account. And don't forget to subscribe, like and share, hit the bell notification so you are notified whenever we upload the video.